Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. Sort of ways, we had FOMC yesterday. Not really a big mover. It hasn't really been a big mover in a while. I still think this is the 4 hour time frame, by the way. I still think this is likely a wave a wave B, and we're now in a wave C of either a running ABC, which a running ABC would likely make a lower high compared to the wave A and then turn down. If it's not a running ABC, then it potentially would be an expanding ABC. If it's an expanding ABC, then my target would actually be all the way up here, potentially to end up looking something like this before it goes down. Kind of leaning towards the running ABC because of how the dollar pairs look. They look like they're getting close to turning. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, if we start getting breaks of structure to the downside at Fibonacci levels, then I definitely would start being short the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. If it just goes down and rejects structure, or if it makes a higher low, then we definitely want to stay bullish the dollar because, like I showed you on the higher time frames, it could turn into an expanding ABC, not a running ABC. So I'm definitely looking for a break of structure to the downside to either confirm shorts on the dollar, or I'm looking for like higher lows to confirm that I need to continue to look for longs on the dollar. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.